Why don't you explain solar flare though, since you wanted to bring it up?
It's just there. He's got it right there.
I bet if there were a bunch of Marines around, I bet that would cause it.
That is for sure.
Right.
We're going to pause and check and make sure that we're still lined up. Is your housing still lined up with your north? Double check. You don't want it to get off. Okay, now we're going to take 50 more steps. Ready? 50? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you still going in the right direction? Good. Your housing's not down.
Jackson doesn't remember his group. We know
Okay, so y'all found me. So if I was to if y'all were to tell me, you know, Miss Riken, where were you? What degrees am I at? Where am I at? How many degrees in what direction?
30.
So I'm about 30 degrees northeast.
And how many paces work?
37.
37 paces.
Okay, so do y'all see how that could work two ways? It could work, y'all could tell me like, hey, Miss Riken, we found you at 30 degrees northeast. Or I could say, hey, I'm lost. I'm at 30 degrees northeast. Come find me. So you could use your compass. You could find 30 degrees northeast, and you could just walk straight following your compass, and you could find me. Do y'all see how that works?
So we have that. Okay. Awesome. So if I told you to walk west, which direction would you stand up and walk? Actually, stand up. Stand up. All right. Here's our compass. Walk west.
You see what I mean?
Everybody walk west.
So what direction are we traveling? We're
All
going
right,
60
stop.
degrees in which direction?
All right, come back.
West. Good job. Okay, so now let's see.
All right, everybody walk northwest and tell me where you're going. Northwest. Where are you going? Going in the glider? All right, come back. I know you want to go back to the glider. Go. All right. So now we'll do travel arrow. Okay.
So our direction of travel arrow would go towards the table, and then we would line up. Right, so we would be going west, about 280 degrees west. 280 degrees west. Is that what you thought?
Yes.
Yes, good, 280. So if we were going to walk there, what's one way that we could measure how far we walked? So good, we could count our steps, right? We're going to count paces. So let's all walk together.
Count aloud, okay?
Count aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33. So it took us 33 paces to get here. Do you think that if Miss Riken's group walked from over there, do you think it would still take 33 paces? No. No, why not? They're a different distance, right. But what would be the same? The direction of travel. They would still be traveling 280 degrees west, but they would have a different amount of paces, right? Right.
So if we did a scavenger hunt and we told y'all to find 280 degrees, was it south, northwest? West. They would both find the same area at the same time, right? Well, not the same time, but both in the same area, right? Does that make sense to y'all?
37, 2-minute warning.
Yeah, good.
Where the heck's from?
Well, we're close enough. Right? Yep. Here's this. Y'all want to go somewhere else or y'all want to do something? Want to go join them? Let's see what they're doing.
Hey guys, y'all remember on Monday when Mr. Evans, our teacher that came with us, he was telling you about how metal sometimes can affect your compasses? That could be why as y'all get closer to this, to the hanger, why sometimes it might change, because I know some people were having trouble with theirs, and that could be why. So make sure y'all keep that in mind. If you're by a really tall metal building, you know, you might run into problems.
What else would cause interference?